What's up everybody, it's Alexi, and listen, I'm about to drop some serious travel knowledge on you. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just planning your first big adventure, this is the place to be. We're talking game-changing, life-hacking, adventure-elevating tips that'll have you wondering, how did I ever travel without this? Ready to revolutionize your travel game? Imagine being able to navigate any city like a local, find hidden gems that aren't in any guidebook, and make the most out of every single moment. These 10 hacks will change the way you journey forever. From packing efficiently to making the most of your time, these tips are designed to make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. From conquering those tiny hotel room inconveniences to navigating the unexpected, I've got you covered. Ever struggled with limited space in your luggage or finding reliable Wi-Fi on the go? Well, those days are over. We're about to unlock a whole new level of travel mastery. Imagine having the confidence to explore new places without any stress, knowing you have all the tools and knowledge you need. So, buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive into these travel hacks that are guaranteed to make your next trip the best one yet. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long expedition, these tips will be your new best friend. And trust me, once you start using these hacks, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. So grab your travel journal, gather your friends, and let's get started on this journey to becoming a travel pro. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Traveler's Toolkit for more amazing travel tips. Your next adventure awaits, and we're here to make sure it's unforgettable. Alright, let's kick things off with a hotel room essential. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, there's one thing that can make or break your stay: the little conveniences. You know that feeling, right? You walk into your hotel room, ready to unwind after a long day. You might be thinking about ordering room service or just kicking back with a good book. You've got your ice-cold drink, you're ready to relax, but wait, there's a problem. There's nowhere to put it down. You don't want to ruin the furniture, but you also don't want to hold your drink the entire time. Those hotel room tables are notorious for their lack of coasters. And let's be honest, nobody wants to deal with those unsightly drink stains. Fear not, my friend, because I've got the ultimate hack. It's simple, it's effective, and it uses something you already have in your room. Grab that hotel notepad. You know, the one they put there hoping you'll forget you're not at home. Yeah, that one. It's usually sitting right there on the desk, just waiting to be used. Now tear off a page, fold it up nice and neat, and boom, you've got yourself a makeshift coaster. It's not just practical, it's also a little bit crafty. You've got yourself a DIY coaster. It's amazing how something so simple can solve such an annoying problem. No more water rings, no more sticky surfaces, just pure, unadulterated beverage enjoyment. You can finally relax without worrying about damaging the furniture. It's the little things, people. Sometimes it's these small, clever hacks that make life so much easier and more enjoyable. This hack is so simple, so effective, it's almost criminal. You're welcome. Next time you're in a hotel room, you'll know exactly what to do. Enjoy your stay. Next up, we're tackling the age-old problem of tangled jewelry. It's a common issue that has plagued travelers and jewelry lovers for ages. You know the scenario. You carefully pack your favorite necklace, making sure it's neat and organized, only to find it transformed into a Gordian knot by the time you reach your destination. You know the drill. You pack your favorite necklace, all neat and organized, thinking you've done everything right. But as soon as you open your luggage, you're greeted with a frustrating mess of tangled chains. It's enough to make anyone want to give up on accessorizing while traveling, only to find it transformed into a Gordian knot in your luggage. This can be especially annoying when you're in a rush to get ready for an event or a day out exploring. But don't worry, there's a simple and effective solution that you probably already have on hand. But I've got the solution, and it's probably sitting in your hotel room right now. It's a common item that you might not think of using for this purpose, but it works wonders. All you need is a drinking straw. Grab a straw, yes, a drinking straw, and thread your necklace through it. This simple trick keeps your necklace straight and prevents it from tangling with other jewelry items. It's a quick and easy fix that can save you a lot of time and frustration. That's it. The straw acts as a barrier, preventing those delicate chains from tangling. This method is especially useful for delicate necklaces with fine chains that are prone to knotting. By using a straw, you can keep your jewelry organized and ready to wear. No more spending precious vacation time untangling knots. Instead, you can focus on enjoying your trip and looking fabulous with your favorite accessories. This hack is perfect for anyone who loves to travel with their jewelry. This hack is a game changer for anyone who loves to accessorize on the go. Whether you're heading to a tropical getaway or a business trip, this simple trick ensures your necklaces stay tangle-free and ready to wear. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more practicality. So next time you're packing for a trip, don't forget to grab a few straws. Your jewelry will thank you, and you'll save yourself a lot of hassle. Let's talk sun protection, people. When you're out there exploring, the last thing you want is the sun beating down on you, turning your trip into a sweaty, uncomfortable mess. But fear not, because I've got the ultimate DIY sunshade solution. Grab some aluminum foil, you know, the stuff you use to wrap leftovers. Yeah, that one. Now tear off a piece and tape it inside your hat. That's it. The foil acts as a reflector, bouncing those harmful UV rays away from your head and keeping you cool and comfortable. It's like having your own personal shade tree, wherever you go. Chapter 4. The Sock Sleeve. Alright, let's talk versatility. You know those socks you got lying around? The ones with the holes in them? Yeah, those ones. Don't throw them out just yet. They're about to become your new favorite travel accessory. Cut off the toe section and boom, you've got yourself a DIY arm sleeve. This bad boy can be used for sun protection, warmth, or even just to add a little bit of style to your outfit. It's the ultimate multi-purpose travel hack. Plus, it's a great way to give those old socks a new lease on life. Who says sustainability can't be stylish? Chapter 5. The Binder Clip Shade. Ever lose your sunglasses? I know, the worst. Especially when you're traveling and every second counts. But I've got a hack that's so simple, so brilliant, you'll kick yourself for not thinking of it sooner. Grab a binder clip. Yes, a binder clip, and clip it to the strap of your bag. Now hook your sunglasses onto the metal part of the clip. That's it. Your sunglasses are now securely attached to your bag, always within reach and impossible to lose. No more digging through your bag, no more sitting on your shades, just pure, unadulterated sunglasses security. Chapter 6. The Cork Key Float. Water and keys, not exactly the best combination, right? But sometimes accidents happen. You're on a boat, you're at the beach, and splash! Your keys take an unexpected dip. But don't panic, this next hack is here to save the day. Grab a wine cork, yes, a wine cork, and attach it to your key ring. That's it. Now, if your keys happen to go for a swim, the cork will keep them afloat, making them easy to retrieve. It's like a life preserver for your keys. Chapter 7. The Tea Bag Deodorizer. Let's be real, traveling can be tough on your sense of smell. Between stuffy hotel rooms and long flights, things can get a little ripe. But fear not, because I've got a hack that'll keep your gear smelling fresh and clean. Grab some used tea bags. Yes, used tea bags, and let them dry completely. Once they're dry, toss them in your shoes, your bag, or anywhere else that needs a little odor refresh. The tea leaves will absorb any unwanted smells, leaving your gear smelling fresh and clean. Alright, this next hack is for those moments when you find yourself off the beaten path, far from the comforts of bottled water. You need a drink, but the only water source is looking a little suspect. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Grab a pair of pantyhose, yes, pantyhose, and stretch them over the opening of an empty water bottle. Now, slowly pour the questionable water through the pantyhose and into the bottle. The pantyhose act as a filter, trapping any sediment or debris and providing you with a much cleaner, safer drinking experience. Getting lost is never fun, especially when you're exploring a new place. But fear not, because I've got a hack that'll turn you into a navigation ninja. Grab a button, yes, a button, and a fridge magnet. Rub the magnet against the button for about a minute. Now carefully place the button on a leaf and float it in a puddle or bowl of water. The magnetized button will align itself with the Earth's magnetic field, pointing you towards north. It's like having a compass built into your pocket. Finally, let's talk souvenirs. You know those delicate trinkets you pick up on your travels? The ones you're terrified of breaking on the journey home? Well, fear no more, because I've got the ultimate packing solution. Grab an empty egg carton, yes, an egg carton, and carefully place your fragile souvenirs in the individual compartments. The carton's structure will cushion and protect your treasures, ensuring they make it home in one piece. It's like giving your souvenirs their own little first-class seats. So, there you have it, folks. 10 travel hacks that are guaranteed to change the way you journey forever. From conquering those tiny hotel room inconveniences to navigating the unexpected, these hacks have got you covered. Remember, traveling is all about embracing the adventure. And with these hacks in your arsenal, you'll be ready for anything. So go forth, explore, and make the most of every journey. If you found these hacks helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Traveler's Toolkit community. Safe travels!